Hello everyone and welcome back. We hope you have been able to see many of the videos these last few days covering the value of AMPX and how to use Amplify Exchange, how we give you more on each trade than an industry leader like Coinbase, and the announcement of our private launch this Sunday, November 24th. In this video, the 9th in this series on how to use the Amplify Brokerage, we will cover exactly how to manage your wallets within the Amplify Exchange ecosystem. You can start right now by going to amplifyexchange.com and clicking the sign in button at the top of the page. You'll want to enter your email and password into the appropriate places and click the continue button. If you have enabled 2FA, you will need to enter it here. Once logged in, you will land on the portfolio page. This is where you see your portfolio value over time, as well as high-level profit and loss information. Scroll down, and at the bottom of the screen, you will see the wallets that are currently active on your account. Click the Manage Wallets button, and you will be presented with a list of all assets that are currently available at the Amplify Exchange. If you know what you are looking for, you can search and narrow down the results. You also have the option of enabling all tokens and removing each one you don't want a large set of assets in your portfolio. Just select the tokens you want and click the Save button at the bottom. Now you will be returned to the portfolio page. You can view your 24-hour profit and loss information by asset right on this page, and by clicking into a row of an asset, you can view the chart, a hand-curated list of relevant news, the project's social pages, and high-level profile information. If you want to deposit a specific asset, simply click the red Receive button all the way to the right, and if you want to withdraw an asset, simply click the green Send button. If you need more information on depositing and withdrawing digital assets, simply watch the earlier videos in the series and you can learn exactly how to make those functions happen. That's it for this video, guys. The private launch will happen this Sunday, November 24th, and the public launch will be following quickly behind the private launch. So do me a favor right now, head over to amplifyexchange.com this Sunday, November 24th, and get signed up so you can experience true commission-free trading. Take a quick second right now and subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications so you can be the first to hear about the exciting new features as they are released. Thank you again for being a part of the Amplify journey to deliver the perfect cryptocurrency exchange to amplify your digital assets.